Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots and lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. Take you to the video, talks about how to enter that one. I also have a huge one going on right now in honor of our 1 year here on YouTube, and that features a sold out Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collaboration eyeshadow palette. Make sure to check that out. I also have another one going on in honor of our 600 subscriber here on YouTube, and I'm about ready to film another one for our 700 subscriber because we hit that. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 800 subscriber. Help us get there. The #1 rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber, and I do check, so join us. Today we are talking the Sephora Play Box. It's $10 a month. It ships out monthly. In it are 6 kind of luxury skincare type items. So let's dive in and see what's in here. They used to put on here where you could get 15% off, kind of a coupon, and they've stopped putting those little cards on, and I'm really kind of bummed. So here it talks about stress busting beauty chart. Consult the stars for your go-to beauty ritual and relax and look your best. For you Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns, it says stable and dependable. You provide a solid foundation in this world. To balance all your grounded lifestyles, spoil yourself with a spa day. Break out that fancy face mask and focus on what you do. For those of you that are Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, the water signs. So these other ones were the earth signs. These are the water signs. Like the ocean, you are deep, and all those feels make you intuitive and sensitive. When you need an emotional break, indulge your wild imagination with fancy makeup tutorial. Don't forget the setting spray. For the Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, those are the fire signs. It says your sign burns bright, but lighting up a room takes a lot of energy, so don't forget to refuel. Put on that SPF and head out on the adventure or reveal in all the lights rolling in on your latest selfie to keep your feel-good tank full. For you air signs, which I'm one of, those are Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. You're a breath of fresh air, bringing new ideas and excitement to those around you. Invite some friends over and show them that soon-to-be trending hairstyle. After the photo shoot, share your favorite hair masks with the group. Stress-free beauty, you can expect those makeup, skincare, and hair care stars to ease your minds in a beautiful daily routine. All the products kind of come here in this red kind of sandwich bag. Says on the back here, your once a month squeal-inducing bag of amazingness is here. Here is a product exclusive to Sephora, is the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Keep your makeup in place from sunrise to star rise with this alcohol-free setting spray that helps protect against pollution. Hold the bottle 8 inches from your face, close your skin and spray in an X shape as the final step in your makeup routine. It has kind of the balls in it that you kind of have sometimes in nail polish to kind of break everything up. It's not a fine mist spray, at least not in this one. Shoots out pretty hard. This does retail for $31. Here is an award-winning and exclusive product is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. The stars align to create this jet black liner that allows for tattoo-like precision and easy, pretty, iconic cat eye application. How to use: start at the inner corner of your eyelid and slowly draw across, adding more pressure for a thicker line and less pressure for a thinner line. I don't really do eyeliners, so because I have such hooded eyes, you wouldn't be able to see any lid if I do a liner. So I'm going to be putting this one in one of my upcoming giveaways. From Glamglow, I have tried this product in the past, is a SUPERMUD activated charcoal treatment mask. Allowing this purifying charcoal infused mask provides clarity to your skin and your psychic. How to use: spread a thin layer over clean, dry skin and spot treat blemishes and visible pores that leave on until it hardens. You'll feel a tingle. Rinse off with warm water. It is an award-winning product. So I do a masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks. I did feature this one in one of my past videos. I will put that video link in the description box down below for you. So full size of this does retail for $59. I don't think I said, but the full size of the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner retails for $20. By Origins is the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins. It's a mega mushroom relief and resilience soothing treatment lotion. Comfort stressed out skin with reishi, chaga, and carpunius mushrooms. Pack treatment that feels like water and soothes like a lotion. First, shake the bottle to activate the ingredients, then pour onto a cotton pad or fingertips and gently apply to clean, dry skin in the morning and night. I don't really suffer from blemishes or anything like this, so I think I'm gonna pass this one along. Full size of this does retail for $20. Here's a product that I really love. It is from Smashbox. It is their Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I have used this before. And take the stress out of foundation application with this soothing, flaw disguising, clear gel primer that makes your makeup last all day. When I use this, I don't notice my pores as much, and it does really last. How to use: massage a dime-size amount onto your clean, dry skin and prep your skin into a flawless foundation application. A full size of this does retail for $36. The bonus item is from Giorgio Armani. It is Embrace Your Inner Fire Sign with this show-stopping floral scent featuring black currant and rose. It's pretty, it's not, I wear more citrusy type scents, and so I definitely say that it is more of a winter perfume, I would say, than a summer one. A full size of this just retail for $92. Not the best box, to be honest. This is the only one that I'll really use. I mean, I've tried this, I liked it, but the others are just kind of passes for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you so you will know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.